Coffee smells like coffee. Hi guys, what's up? What's up, guys? Good to have you again tonight. Good to have you again tonight. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Tell me, how was your day? How was your day? How was your day, guys? Tell me. I mean, it's a Friday. It's a Friday, so I guess vibes are high. I mean, why not? Good to have you. Good to have you guys. Good to see you all. Prosper. What's up? What's up? Fennel. All right. Let me just say Louis. What's up? What's up? Dame. What's up? What's up? Good to have you all. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? Hey, there. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from, guys? Tell me. Tell me. All right. I see you, Prosper from Nigeria. Good to have you. Natures, what's up? What's up, guys? Tell me, how was your day today? Did you execute any trades? Did you look at your charts? You've been waiting for me. All right, you're making me feel special. I mean, I am here. I am. It's gonna be a beautiful night. So let us see how it's going to go. All right, Fennel, you're saying you're from Dominican Republic. All right, good to have you. Do you know? I do not know what you have asked next. Oh, you're watching from Nigeria. Okay. Guys, mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? Alicia, assalamu alaikum. It's just you and me. This feels like this. Safe. Good to have you. Good to have you guys. You know how we do it here. Always catching good vibes and good. I mean, as traders, we have to also catch on the move. So let us see how it goes. Moko Saze, good to have you guys. Traders in the building, tell me, did you execute any trades today? All right, our first trade closes in a plus. So it is already setting the motion for us for tonight. Let us see how it goes. And I try to act natural. Let's move, let's move. All right, I see someone from South Africa. Good to have you. Good to have you guys. Traders in the building, did you execute any trade? Oh my. We take our first L, guys. But we are going to keep a positive mindset. The night has just begun for me. So let me see how it's going to go. Beautiful. Guys, while you're here, don't forget to mark your attendance. Yeah, you're going to learn something. So get a notebook. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask anything you want to know. We are not just here for vibes, guys. We're not just here for vibes. But I need to know traders in the building. Did you execute any trades? How was your trading day? Long time, Calterix. Long time. How have you been? I mean, here we make bold moves. That's how we roll. That's how we roll here. I go rifle up. All right, all right. Good to have you all. Good to have you all, guys. How are you, Cameroon? Selivy. Someone is asking what made me enter the previous trade. The previous trade, it was because since I follow market structure, the candles had failed to break the previous high, so I anticipated sellers could move the market down. That's why I sold. Yeah. Let me hope that answers you, my friend who asked. Oh my god. Oh, where is she? Where is she? Okay, I've lost that. But let me hope I've answered you, my friend. Good to have you. Yeah, guys, trading is risky, but the key is having a strategy and following it, because it's not sometimes, yes, your strategy could be right, but the market will be the market at the end of the day. Sometimes in the market you have to be aggressive, guys. Sometimes. No second. Good to have you all. Good to have you all. Vasco, good to see you. Cameron, you had a bad trading day. Sorry. I had a bad trading day, but I realized that a valuable lesson. The truth is the pair does not matter. That's true. Most cases the pair does not matter. It is the skill. It is the skill that matters, and discipline. So what happened? What happened? Tell me. I mean, as I said, I didn't like having bad trading days like on a Friday. I mean, sometimes you could find such days if you have it as a bad trading day and you have not withdrawn any profits, it can take all your weekly profits. So part of your trading plan could be like every after a trading day, you secure some profits and you leave some for the next day. But if you don't secure, sometimes you will find the next day takes even the previous day's profits and you end up feeling bad. That is from my experience, guys. From my experience. So let me hope you had secured some profits before having a bad trading day. All right, Caltarix is saying you're supposed to be studying, but here you are. Studying what? Are you still in like college or something? All right. We get 2+ trades here, and they are so in line with the strategy. Oh, market conditions weren't favorable for you. Yeah, but okay, sometimes if you find yourself on a messy pair, because some days some pairs refuse to move and they're like just trending. No, actually they are not trending, they are just the market is just moving sideways. If you find yourself in such a situation, you can switch and look out for another pair that could be moving, or you just take a few hours off. But sorry, my brother, it's crazy. And when you start making losses that are consecutive, somehow your patience gets gets damaged, like your patience gets messed up, and you find yourself just doing whatever it is. And somehow traders, we have a mentality that once you get some losses, you feel like the market owes you, and once your mind is set to the market owing you back that money or the profits or anything, that's where it gets worse and you make more losses. I've been there. I've been there. I don't know. Ivy, do you usually wait that long for confirmations? Yeah. Of course, sometimes you don't wait for so long, but you have to wait for confirmations. You don't just execute trade. You have to have a reason behind why you're executing a trade, guys. Me, the things I look out for, I first understand the market direction. You have to understand, am I in a bullish trend, a bearish trend? Then you understand, is the market pulling back? Is it giving signals of a continuation? So once you have that behind your mindset, it is easier to look out for something. So good to have you all, guys. Mark your attendance, and this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask anything and share how your trading day was, guys. You can tell me how it was for you as we are moving. Wow, we have got some crazy move here. Here we go. Nice. Of course, we still have a long night, so we are gonna still be catching up some moves. I mean, someone is saying I need that confidence you got. I wouldn't say it is too much confidence, but it comes. That's why I always tell you guys, be consistent. Once you are consistently looking at the charts and you consistently in the market, somehow you get over the fear of execution. You stop overreacting towards losses. Yeah, and once you consistent in the market, those things you achieve them. But if you not, you'll never get over the fear of the market, fear of execution, overreacting towards losses. You know what I know. Guys, honestly, that's everything I'm sharing. It is just from my experience as a trader, because I've been there from beginner to where I am now. And everything I say, it is purely from my experience. And meaning that means that every trader has their own experience. Oh, no. Damn, that was crazy there. You guys are crazy. Sansa, I don't understand the part where you said, did you report me? Why? Why would I benefit from that? And why are you saying that? What happened to you? Everyone who sends me a chat on Telegram, I reply to them because I have it for you guys. And there's a link in the description for my Telegram for all those that want to reach out to me. Feel free. To myself, to myself. All right, good to have you all. Good to have you all. I'm seeing comments. Who is gonna be the top donator today? I really do not know, but I'm yet to set the queue, guys, for all those who donated. And there's a link in the description there's a donation link in the description if you wanna be part tonight to participate. Feel free. So let's move. To myself. So guys, while you're here, mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? Good to have you all. Traders, tell me, how was your trading day today? Yeah, tell me, did you execute any trades? Or you can basically tell me how was your day? So let's keep moving. All right, that didn't turn out as we anticipated. But let's move. Guys, you know how we do it. Pure price action every night. Everything with every trade executed is backed up with our strategy. I can see a reunion in the comments. So you guys, good to have you all. So let's see. And the platform I'm using, I'm seeing someone asking about the platform. The platform I'm using, it's Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description. You can check it out. But let's keep moving. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question you want to know. We are not just here for good vibes. We also have to share as traders. But no one is telling me how they are trading their was. Jesty. All right, Izu, I see you. Tonight I wanna show you all. You only come on Fridays, but we are already here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So feel free to always join. You want to press rewind on your trading day? My friend, just feel free. Give yourself time. Clear your mind so that you attack the markets again with a fresh mind. Because that's how it's supposed to be. Yeah. Oh, actually, someone asked about my strategy. Okay, let this first song end. Then I'm gonna tell you guys anything and everything. But here I do not complicate my trading. And the more easy your strategy is, guys, I feel like the easier the easier it is for you to trade. When I was still a beginner, I think I had like 5 strategies. Oh, actually, at that point, I had not yet concluded on what I'll be looking at in the market. So I really knew very many things about trading. And sometimes it is not nice. You need to refine your strategy to certain key things you look out for. Otherwise, if you know a lot of things, you're going to find yourself confusing yourself. So you have to pick out a few things that you know you're going to apply in your trading and just stick to those and be consistent. Mm-mm. All right, good to have you all. Good to have you all. So let's see. No, this is not AI trading. It is basically me executing my own trades as I'm sharing with you guys because I really want to be opening trades, and I explain a few based on the reasons why I executed them. Yeah, maybe who can make my life complete. Oh. Mm-mm-mm. All right, let's move. Let's move. Okay, it's high time I start. Let me hope you guys are all here because I want to explain everything in detail. I want to explain everything in detail so that you get to know. So mark your attendance if you are in for the strategy. I want to know how many people are ready for the strategy. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mark your attendance. Mark your attendance. I want to know how many are ready and they have sharpened their ears for the strategy. I don't want to leave anyone behind. And actually, let me first start with the indicator, guys. The indicator I'm using, it's Keltina channel. Yeah, but I do not only base on the indicator to execute trades. I back it up with my strategy, but whenever I'm using the indicator, I look out for breakouts. Breakouts, I mean breakouts, I mean that if I get a breakout to the upside, I start anticipating I start anticipating buying momentum, but I do not just start buying immediately you get a breakout. You should have another reason or a confluence that backs out your reason to buy. And when I get a breakout to the downside of the indicator, that is a sign you can start anticipating selling, but you should have other confluences. I'm not a trader that only looks at the indicator. I back it up with my strategy. So I go to my strategy. My strategy is simple. I do not complicate things. I look out for, I first understand market direction, and market direction, by that I mean an uptrend or downtrend, or is the market moving sideways? Because you know how you trade trendy markets is not the same way you trade sideways markets. Yeah, and an uptrend means the market is moving upwards in series of higher highs and higher lows. And it is the opposite for the downtrend. The market is moving downwards in series of lower highs and lower lows. Yeah, I also look at market structure. Actually, I really look at market structure so much because most of my moves, they rotate around there. Keep talking way too much. Yeah, I also back it up with candlestick patterns, which refine my entries, honestly. So let's move. Let me hope those who wanted the strategy have got a bit of it. Eh, So you should know all the trades I'm executing are really backed up by that. If I'm in an uptrend, I'm really going to just look out for mostly buy trades, and if I'm in a downtrend, I'm only going to just look out for sell trades mainly, unless otherwise. Mm, 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 mm. We need a big win for the donators today. Of course, of course. We are going to be moving well, unless otherwise, guys, you know it, we have no control over the market. Anything that happens, as long as we follow our strategy and discipline, yeah. At least I'm being honest. No, 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 no. Yeah, Cameron is saying the real strategy, Ivy, it is psychology. That's true. But if you really have a strategy and risk management and a trading plan, believe me, that is your psychology, because you could be in a good mood and you don't fear the market, but still, if you have no reason, you have nothing you're looking out for in the market, you may find yourself just buying and selling for no reason, and chances of you making more losses are going to be higher. So a strategy is key. That's how you manage your psychology, because as a trader, if your psychology gets messed up, nothing can save you. At least it's temporary. And guys, I have to remind you, you cannot trade with me right now because YouTube has a time lag. So I'm seeing someone talking about it. Just come here, learn something so that you can execute on your own. I mean, that is the best way. That's the best thing you can do for yourself. Learning. Because once you have the skill, no one can take that away from you. No one can take the skill away from you. Because me, I've had my skill for 4 years. As long as I look at the charts, I know what to look out for. So you can also make it your priority to get that skill. Yeah, I'm seeing someone is saying locked in, no distractions. I mean, that's how we do it. That's how it should be. Locked in for life. No, in fact, we are locked away for life as traders. The one who takes you home. Mm-mm. The Incat I'm using, it's Keltina channel, not Bolinga Bonds. But I do not base my entries, guys, on only the indicator. I also look out for other things. Traders in the building tell me, do you only trade with indicators? Actually, just yesterday someone confirmed they do. They only look out for indicators. So tell me, is it right? Do you feel, any trader, do you feel like just looking at the indicator is enough, or other confluences matter? I like me. All right. When you became a profitable trader, how many years? My whole trading experience is 4 years. But I feel like the past 2 years of my trading, it is when I really started seeing actual profit. Okay, that's when I really felt like now trading makes sense. Oh my, crazy, crazy move there. Let us look for more good entries. Yeah, it's been 2 years. That's when but my main problem that delayed my progress and all that, it was indiscipline. I used to, it was crazy. Every time I remember the mistakes I used to make in trading, it was not actually mistake, it was my own self doing things knowingly. I used to be, at some point, I used to be so aggressive, whereby you would just risk your entire account at once. I don't know if you guys have ever been there, where you be like, I'm creating this account, I deposit this amount, and I'm gonna be risking it all. I don't know if you guys have been in that situation. All right, let's move. I mean, we are going down, down, down. All right. So, camera, that's what you are doing today. That is the worst way of trading, guys. I do not really. Anyway, every trader has their own experience, but it is the worst form of trading, because you're going to find yourself, once you blow the account, you do not have, it's going to take you about like 2 weeks, sometimes even a month, when you don't have capital again to trade. It used to be crazy. That was like my peak poor trading years or season. But after overcoming that, honestly, I focused and I really maintained discipline so much. Yeah, it was crazy. And those days, it was, I had reached a point in my trading life where I don't fear the market anymore. So depositing and risking it all. And sometimes I would blow and I would move on like nothing happened. Yeah, but in the long run, it affects you. At the moment, it may not feel so bad, but in the long run, it affects your trading. And there, you're not a trader, you're just playing. Serious traders don't risk their accounts like that. We were. Victor, how are you? Victor, how are you? It's not songs anymore. Hey, let me hope you're watching the market with me. You know, observing the market, it's also a good skill. It teaches you patience and discipline. When you're just waiting for the market to give you the moves that are in line with your strategy, because anytime you look at the charts, you're really going to be seeing a move. But it is better to just wait for the moves that you feel they are in line with your trading strategy, because every now and then the market will offer moves, but we only take those that are in line with our strategy. So let's go. Right there in your best friend's couch. So keep on kissing me now and I don't want to hear sad songs anymore. I need to hear love songs. I mean, Rahila, I don't get what you're meaning, but stop spam commenting. I might get to remove you, because I really don't even understand your question. I'm in love. And we have really had a smooth downtrend here, guys. Let me hope you have been watching it. Okay, we take an L here. But we're really just following the trend. Like I always tell you, it is so easy for me to trade with the trend than going against it. Even when sometimes it could give you moves, but why should you complicate your trading? Songs up on my heart up in this place tonight. Somebody say move to gold currency, but we are still getting moves here, guys. Let's stick here. I'm in love. I'm in love. So let's go. All right, guys, this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question that you want to know about trading. All right. Someone suggested we go to gold. Here we are, guys, on the gold chart. So let us see how it's gonna go. You guys are crazy down there on the night time. Guys, if you're here for good vibes as we are watching the market together, enjoy the song, because why not? I mean, vibes have also to be part of our trading. Eddie Venom is asking, what is your trading strategy? Okay, we caught some good move there. And guys, okay, if you can see here, we have got some good market structure, and this is how you understand a downtrend, because you can see here the market has been really moving in a very visible way of breaking the previous lows. That is a confirmed downtrend. It pulls back, it comes back, it pushes down again, it breaks the previous low, pulls back, does it again. So that is a confirmation of a downtrend. So the best way to trade a downtrend is just following it. You wait. If you're a person who prefers confirmation, you can confirm it by waiting for a pullback up. Then you enter again when it's pushing down. That is the easiest way to trade a downtrend. So let me hope you have got it, guys. Wow. Ah. Okay, let us move. Beautiful. Here we had got a deep pullback, but here we are. Our trade still moved well. So we can see our previous low has not yet been taken out. So let us watch and see if it's still going to be a confirmed downtrend or not. And guys, whenever you're looking at market structure, you be sure to confirm it with strong points, and by that I mean strong lows and strong highs, because sometimes market structure forms in a crazy way, but that is really key. Whenever you're looking at market structure, you're supposed to pay attention to the strong lows and strong highs, because that's how you understand the moves in the market. Trevor, good to have you. You almost missed. I know you couldn't, but good to have you. So let me hope you have understood that point of structure. For all those that be asking my strategy, that's why I always tell you, come with notebooks, because you're gonna be going with some good points. We do not just talk and vibe. Here you get real real Good stuff. So for market structure, do not just look out for ups and downs. You also look at those strong points. Baby, you know, I just wanna leave tonight. Okay, let us straight. All right, good to be here. All right, good to have you all, guys. Much love from here. So let's move. Let's move. And guys, we have really been in a downtrend for some good minutes. Yeah. And you can see most of my trades have been closing in flats because I'm only just following my trend. And that is the easiest way you can trade as a trader. Even if you don't have a solid strategy, you can just be looking out for trends. And go with that. And come on me. All right, beautiful. You know, take care. Guys, this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question you wanna know. I mean, we are always here to learn as traders and share trading experience. If you are a good trader and you believe you're a good trader, comment your strategy that is getting you profits. Share with fellow traders. We get to know which strategy is getting you the bag. He's swimming me on the east side, the city where the sun don't set. Trevor, what is getting you the bag? I'm seeing you commenting the bag. Why do you only trade commodities? It's not like it's what I only trade, but I feel like they really move in a way that I would want to trade them. Yeah. There is nothing special hidden behind me trading commodities. And I really don't find them too volatile. Yeah, that's my other reason. And guys, this is binary options trading. So there's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. And someone asked, how do you create a real account? There's a link in the description. You can use that. Unforgettable. But guys, this I have to tell you. Learning a strategy will not just work for you overnight unless you put in the work, guys. Unless you put in the work, the skill doesn't magically just develop overnight. You have to put in the work, be consistent, look at your charts every now and then. I think that is the best trading advice I've ever got from a professional trader who's really doing well with their life. I mean, he said every day you look at your charts on the days you're gonna trade, on the days you're not going to trade. look at your charts. You should have your charts everywhere around you so that you're looking at them every day. That's how somehow you really get to see stuff and you be motivated. I feel like you get more motivated to trade. I mean, why would you call yourself a trader and you spend a whole week without looking at the charts? So trading is not for everyone. It is for those that really want to be serious traders. Okay, that didn't move well. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. So Jude, let me hope I answered you well. Guys, this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask anything. And I sent you all the next song. If you are somewhere watching me, you can stand up and dance as you're watching me. It must be you. Majid, good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. Let's go. Do you know I'm from Chicago? I act a fool, Bobby Brown with it. Nobody take me out though. You got kids, bring them down the south. What small problem do you have, Majid? Only is you got me feeling like this. Love it, I'm grabbing the wind on your hips. Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. It must be you. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell them. My strategy is lines for real, for real. What do you mean it's lines for real, Trevor? What do you mean by your strategy is lines? You mean trend lines? Whenever I talk about trend lines, it reminds me of chart patterns. It's complicated. But here we don't complicate things. So let me hope you also make it easy for yourself, because the more complicated it gets, it can discourage you from trading. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell 934-8616. I got a missed call from your bitch. She been plotting on me for a cool minute. She wanna suck my dick and I'm cool with it. I left her in the shower when it's running fresh. It's some killer pussy I met on the internet. On my late night thirsty. Mimi, good to have you. We are always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time, so feel free to join us. Guys, let me hope you see yourselves on the queue, those who participated in donations, because we are about to move. Let's go. There are videos on my YouTube channel, this channel exactly. You can check them out and learn something because I'd be sharing very nice stuff in the videos, so feel free to check them out. Jude. Okay. Wow, Ivy, you're something else. Thank you. This is looking interesting. We are always here for that. Sharing tips and vibes only. And it gets better on Fridays. Because why not? Precious, what did you say? The comments sometimes are quite crazy. I cannot catch all of them because at the same time I have to look at the chats and execute. So some comments I don't see them for real. By the time I turn to look, they have moved. Use me, baby. Use me, baby. Hey. So let's go. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Ourselves. Guys, let me hope you're learning something. Use me, baby. Let me get this bag so that I go shopping in Milan by myself. All right, guys, let us get into the donations. Let us first secure our profits. Then we get into the donations. If you should choose me. Oh, my love. Oh, my love. Who is ready for the donations, guys? Mark your attendance. Comment, fire. Thank you. We get into the donations. Basco, someone was asking, did you participate in the donations? Crazy. That noise. Why don't you withdraw to your bank? I withdrew to my safe. Yeah, I withdrew to the safe. So in case I'm gonna trade again, I can just go to the safe, withdraw a certain amount, and do that. Baby. Okay, we ready for our first participant? Let's go. Hey, use me, baby. And guys, you know how we do it here in donations. Once we start donations, much discipline is practiced. We wait for good entries. We want all participants to get good moves for them. I'm not marrying anyone. Let me focus. All right, we are in for our first attempt and we are just continuing with the selling. Let's see how it goes. Damn! Our first attempt didn't go well, guys. But you know how we do it? Yeah. If I make an L on the first attempt, I refund and trade again. So let us see how it goes. So let us do it again. Let us do it again and see. That was crazy. But you know, guys, losses are part of the game. The key is to minimize them so that you keep alive in the market with capital. Now the millions on my mind. Okay, we move again. We move again. Wow, wow, look at this momentum. It was a good move here, honestly. Okay, first attempt goes well. Let us see. It was a crazy good move there. Champagne. Super Bowl. Top no lifestyle. Man. Ever since we was on the set, I would be nothing. Yeah, we made it. Let us wait for a good move and see how it goes. Let's see. Wow, wow. Crazy. All right, let me see. Congratulations to our first participant. Crazy move, but it was so in line with our strategy. So, guys, as you can see, the market really rewards fast if you follow your strategy. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Let me see. Congratulations, guys. Let me see. Congratulations. Say need company. All right, on to the next, on to the next, on to the next. God has really, really moved in a downtrend tonight. Let me hope you guys have noticed it. It has been really in a downtrend for some time. Big deal. Let's move, let's move. Yeah, we are focusing on the market to catch the moves. And guys, I want you to be watching with me. I don't want to be doing it alone. So let's watch and see. And you know how we do it. Our strategy is pure price action. So any trade we execute, it has to be in line with that. Okay. All right. First attempt closes well. Let's see how it goes. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. Precious, you're asking about my Telegram. There's a link in the description. Okay, beautiful. The market has really trended downwards today, tonight. It's just dropping and dropping. I want to, but a bitch got pride. But you allow. Let us wait for the next attempt. I want. All right, beautiful. Guys, let me hope you're watching that. Since we are in a downtrend, I've been executing only sell trades, just waiting for any opportunity to sell, and I use it. So let me say congratulations to our second participant, guys. Let me say congratulations, because even this one moved well. Yeah, let me see more congratulations. All right, I saw someone asking about how to participate. There's a donation link in the description. That's how you can take part. And guys, it's not financial investment. It is purely for trading, learnings, and entertainment. Because you can see we really practice a lot of discipline here. I just miss us, baby. Let me see more congratulations, guys. All right, I see someone saying greetings from South Africa. Okay, good to have you, my friend. Let's move on to the next participant. Damn. Let us refund and do it again. So let us wait for another good move. I mean, yeah, some moves they turn out into losses. Let us wait for another move. Here we go. Okay, let us cruise with buyers and see how it goes. Beautiful. Okay, guys, let me see congratulations. Our participant only wanted one attempt, so that's what we are doing. Let me see more congratulations to our participant. Season change and a loving call. Yeah, guys, actually I also learned you can be watching another person trade, and once they have told you what they are looking out for, you can learn something. You can learn something by just watching someone how they're doing their thing. So that's why I always tell you, yeah, watch with me. You can learn something. So let us see. Run away, 'cause you're running in circles. All right, someone saying I always thought trading was too hard. Sometimes it can feel hard if you are confused and you don't know what you're doing. Sometimes also some traders exaggerate and make things complicated, but it is not that complicated. Actually, trading would not be hard. It is just discipline that is hard to keep in the market. Discipline. Because sometimes once we make profits, we get too confident. Sometimes when we make losses, we start fearing. We get that fear of execution. So mainly it is discipline that gets discipline and psychology that stands in way of traders. All right, Trevor is saying this shit ain't easy. Me as a trader, I've felt always. I've honestly felt the not easy part. I felt the easy part. But in conclusion, from my experience, it is lack of discipline that disturbs traders. Every time you walk in. So let's go. You know, guys, like I told you, I'm a person who follows the trend. So let's go. If it's moving up, I'm moving up with it. If it's going down, we are going down with it. Okay, nice. Okay, here we are. What the hell? You guys are crazy. Someone is saying having difficult concentrating on the charts and looking at you because you are a sunflower. Seriously? All right, thank you. Raise a cup for my day ones to me. The thing is for the. Oh my god. It's in great. All right, all right. Our 3 attempts have gone so well, guys. Let me see. Congratulations to our winner. Did you that I sent you on Telegram? Let me see more congratulations. Let me see more congratulations. All right, our participant said, Ivy told me about the market trends, by the way. All right, let me help you guys. I answered him already about market trends. Yeah, because I think that is something I explained on that stream like 4 times. And following that trend is the easiest way you can trade. You know how we do it here. Someone asking about my strategy, it's pure price action. So let us move on to the next participant. Guys, the proof is in the paper. Okay, let us watch for the next move. Migos, the in-cut I'm using, it's Keltina channel. Wow. Please, Migos, don't spam comments. I already answered you. The indicator I'm using, it's Keltina channel. Please stop spam commenting. I may get to remove you. So let us look for another good move. Just need some loyalty, someone who could ride for me. Loyalty. All right, let's cruise to the moon. Someone comment the moon to the moon, because that's where we are heading right now. Okay, let me say congratulations to our participants. Okay, and let me answer some comments. The time frame, my candles are 5 seconds, and my expiration time is 15 seconds. I'm using the default settings for the indicator, guys. Let me see more congratulations. Let me see more congratulations. Someone was asking which platform I'm using. There's a link in the description for the platform. Yeah, you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. So let's move. Somebody could for me. Give up on me. Sexy mama. Which part confuses you, Caltarix, about candlestick patterns? Yeah, being patient, guys, is really key in trading. It will help you avoid moves that would turn out against you. You have to patiently wait for a move that is in line with your strategy. So let's go. Okay, that didn't go well. I don't even like that next one. Let's move with that. I really don't like the part in trading where you open a trade, it goes against you and it immediately goes in your direction. It's not really nice. But we have no control over the market. Let's give it another try. You guys are crazy. Let's move. And you better look. Okay, damn, we take another L. And it moves in our direction. Okay, so someone saying we don't mix business with pleasure, but I like you. Oh, you guys are crazy. But much love from here. Anyone who likes me, I like you too. I like you too, guys. So good to have you all. Let me hope you're learning something. Feel free to ask any trading question. Yeah, feel free to ask anything you want to know about trading. We are already here catching good vibes as traders. But we're also learning anything. So So let us get to see if we can get another move. Okay, someone is asking, how does donation work? There's a link in the description. There's a donation link in the description. You can check it out. Better look fucking good when you do it. So let us see where we can get a good move for Oliver. Move to the moon. All right. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. No need to she got a little bit of drama with us. Some little dream and riding the bus. You don't smoke, but it's cool with us. Some city with your girls on the weekend. 17 last night. You're not replying questions related to trading. Ask, my dear. Sometimes I don't see the comments. I be focused on the chats, guys. But don't feel bad. You can ask again. Once I see it, I see it. Sometimes I'm too locked in looking for a move. All right, all right. This is good. What are you asking? How it works? The indicator, the what? Specify. Be specific. All right. Of course, someone who suggested gold. I mean, it has been a good night on gold. Yeah, there are moments when you find gold trending and it really trends so well. So I think it is the kind of the night we have had today. It has moved well. It has really been moving smoothly. You know, pair is moving smoothly when it is trending, not sideways things. Sideways markets really annoy. It's so hard to get moves in them. Beautiful. Anything you do. How did you learn? I learned from guys, I learned from friends, I learned from YouTube videos, but for some time to really get to understand trading in an aligned way, I got a mentor. But actually, what my mentor taught me, it's not even the strategy I'm using right now. It's not the strategy I'm using right now. But at least they helped me understand markets and psychology more. So I could say I've learned from almost everywhere. What is your logic for trades? It is simple. I think logic, you're meaning your strategy. What do I look at whenever I'm trading? I look out for market direction. I first really understand market direction. That is understanding the, are you in an uptrend? Are you in a downtrend? If you have been here for some time, you have been seeing the trades we are taking when the market was trending downwards and we're only executing sell trades because me, I really follow that trend. I also understand market structure. To me, it is really very important to understand structure. And I emphasize when you live by looking at market structure, look at strong points. I mean, those the strong points, I mean the high that push the market downwards to break structure and take out the previous low if you're in a downtrend. And if you're in an uptrend, you look out for the low that push the market high to break the high. So that's what basically I look at, and candlestick patterns. But let me see congratulations to Oliver. Let me see congratulations to Oliver. Yeah, it has been nice. Let me see more congratulations. So let me hope I've answered you as asking the logic, which I assume it is strategy. Let me see more congrats, guys. Let me see more congrats. Song with all our childhood friends. Hold up. Let me see more congratulations. More congratulations in the chats, guys. Let me see more congratulations. Let me see more congratulations. And guys, we are not only here for good vibes. Let me hope you're picking something. Let me hope you're picking something. There's a link for my Telegram. Feel free to reach out to me. Patil. Yeah, let me hope you can do that. Baby, blessing me on me. If you're not picking something, it is okay. You can enjoy the music. You guys are really crazy. I mean, picking something, it is not something first. You can also listen to music and catch good vibes. Someone saying we need oil. No, let us stick here. Let us stick here. Let us stick here because this has really moved smoothly, to be honest. Do you speak French? Of course. Bonjour. Bonjour, my friend. Joshua, bonjour. Okay, let us look for a good move. Let us look for a good move before we fall in love. Patil, there's a link for my Telegram. You can reach out to me via Telegram. Let's move. Okay, move goes so well. Someone is saying I don't speak French. What do you mean? Bonjour. Bonjour, guys. J'adore all of you. Yeah. All I need. Namaste, namaste, my friends from India. Good to have you. So let us get into this move. Okay. Beautiful. Crazy. Beautiful. More feelings than be in my feelings all I need. Yeah, yeah. All I need. Let's talk about the weather. Someone was asking, what do I best want to execute? I look at price action. Yeah, price action, guys. That's how we do it here every night. Pure price action, just. That was a smooth ride. It was a smooth ride. So let me say congratulations to our participants. Candle time is and I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. Candle time is 5 seconds. 5 seconds. And the strategy I'm looking at to trade is pure price action. So I only look out for candlestick patterns, market direction, market structure, all that. That's what I base on. Just the you know, never be Let me see more congratulations, guys. Be generous. Be generous. That's the best you can do while you're here for our participants. Be generous with your congratulations. All right. See someone say they're watching from Zambia. Good to have you. What are the secrets? There are no secrets, my friend. My friend, I cannot pronounce your name. Thuwei. There are no secrets. Oh my. Where did all this momentum come from? All right. Structure had given us a move of selling, but buyers came in so aggressively. Let us wait and see. Let us wait and see. The platform I'm using, there's a link in the description, guys. Besides Keltina, what other indicator do you use? Besides Keltina, I do not base on my entries on only the indicator, guys. I look at other confluences. Yeah, I know out there are some traders who mainly trade with only indicators, but I'm not that type. I look at other confluences like candlestick patterns and all that. If that girl from West Virginia came up in conditions that I couldn't survive, when the war came back alive, on top of that became a female black captain. With being black, you had the extra try. Way before James Brown made us proud. She bought a crib on the same street as Marvin Gaye right there on Island Drive. And she taught me how to drive. And she raised the kids, then the kids, and she did it right. Taught me how to love, taught me not to cry. When I die, I hope you teach me how to fly. All my life you've been that angel in the sky. Said, I hope you learn to make it on your own. You'll never be alone. I hear you, the girls are so pretty and everything. A man can change the world. One man can change the world. Love is a dangerous drug. Why do you best want to say that, Trevor? I thought we are all looking at the market. Are you thinking about your ex? Okay, let's move. Sometimes the market can really give some funny market structure. That's why I always emphasize you guys to look at strong points, because in between there you could get some crazy confusion. But once you know strong points to look out for, it reduces on the confusion of candlesticks. Or you're just listening to the song. I thought you were missing someone. All the girls is I-N-G-E-P-E-N-D-N-T. So all the girls have been living stress free. So all the girls on a mission like me. 2 steps ahead like C. Fit is in 50, I'm born like Brie. I'm he, I'm she, I'm you know he. Black coat prints gon' hug my cheeks. But I look like being pressed. Can't rock these pants, I can keep them dressed. 100K, I don't see no less. And my name engraved on American Express. The girls independent like me. Got my feelings in my pockets, I don't wear on my sleeves. Chooses to rock, from tricks to believe. My whole wardrobe paid for by me. Did it on my own before I was famous. Getting busy. Wow, you pause and think along now. That is nice. And after here, you can always go back and look at your charts and look out for those things. I always tell you guys, the more you are in the market, the more you see. I'm very important. This is what the girls give me. This is what the girls don't need no man. This is what the girls love themselves. So all the girls that did it by themselves. So let's move. So all the girls that really stress free. So all the girls on a mission like me. All right, let me see. Congratulations, guys, to Sebastian. Congratulations to Sebastian. And you know how we do it here? Everything goes to the participants' wallet. Girls will thrive. Come by. I am Mangus. I am much better than ever could be. I am the substance of everything hopeful. I am the proof of what's never been seen. I am responsible. I am enough. My soul is complete. What did you do? I am a kind of a version of love that is whole and complete. And that's on me. Anything that you want, guys, it's always on you. So just lock in. Lady is asking, are you trading for people? Of course, the participants here, they take part in the donations. Yeah, we have people who reach out and they really want to trade for them. And that's what I'm doing right now. There's a donation link for all those that want to take part. There's a donation link in the description. Feel free. And guys, reminder, disclaimer and all that, it is not financial investment. It is purely for learning and entertainment. Yeah. you're not investing in anything. Mm-mm. Yes, I leaves everything on not just tired and because I just celebrating life. You feel so good in your dreams. Mascara. So let us look for a good move. Okay. Let's see. Nice, nice. And guys, you know what they say, after a break of structure, you expect what? A pullback. So our previous high broke, so you can anticipate a pullback. Sometimes the pullback is not so deep because now it happened and it wasn't so deep and the market continued upwards, you can see. So let me hope you guys, you get to understand structure, market structure. Yeah, because once you understand structure, it is going to ease your trading. They say market structure is king. So let's see how this goes. Turn away their life. Okay, second attempt goes so well. I wanna be like, I wanna be like, I wanna be like. What do you mean, good thing you're just watching? What does that mean? And actually, it is good because if you are really watching and you're following with me, guys, you're watching focused. I know you're learning something. Eyes open. I mean, that's how you should be looking, guys. Let us do this. I wanna be like. So let's see. Wow, beautiful momentum here. Push to the moon. So let me see. Congratulations. A win is always a win, guys. Let me see. Congratulations. Let me see, guys. More congratulations. More congratulations. So join me this day. I mean, push out for me and say, darling. Come in the border, be free. Come south in the border. Excuse the young girl that I am. Hi, Mithle, Mithi. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you all, guys. Let me hope you're learning something tonight. Come stop in the bottom with me. Rising. Come in the bottom, be free. Come stop in the bottom with me. Come stop in the bottom with me. Guys, have you heard that? You never live till you risk your life. Okay, let us see how we can get another move here. Okay, I see my friend from Venezuela. Good to have you. This is crazy. I love it when I execute a trade and it immediately goes in my direction. That is like every trader's joy. It doesn't waste any candle going against you, it just goes straight. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. What do you mean I would have panicked? Then you go ahead to comment, good thing I'm just learning. I'm just watching. If you're not willing to take the risk, then you're not ready to be a trader, guys. That's a fact. This is binary options. We only set expiration time. So once you can see right now, my expiration is 15 seconds. So after 15 seconds, my trade closes automatically. That was a crazy move, but yeah, let me see. Congratulations to our participant. Let me see. Congratulations, guys, to our participant. Yes, I love it. No risk, no Ferrari. That's how trading is. Cameron, I agree with you. Let me say more congratulations, guys, and thank you for being around the whole night. Thank you for being around, guys. Teach me how to do. Guys, teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. But what's happened to others? Yeah, let me see more congratulations. Let me see more congratulations, guys. It has been a smooth night. I mean, let me hope you picked something. Let me hope you learned something tonight. Yeah, I'm seeing someone saying you're amazing, new to your channel. Thanks for quick response on Telegram. I'm donating soon. Much love. Much love also. Guys, much love. And yes, when you really reach out via Telegram, you surely get a response. And good night. We'll meet again tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. So come early. And yeah, for all those that be wanting to know my strategy, come early, keep time, because I be sharing good stuff here. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. If you want to be part of the participants, there's a donation link in the Telegram, sorry, in the description. And there is also a link in the description for the platform I'm using, which is Pocket Options. Good night. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. I love you all. Bye.